Sodo wa ma'al Abzi kulan wanaagsan. Hi, I am teacher Abzi. Nice to meet you. Do you want to book one-on-one Somali class? Then definitely you should check in the description and book right now. Thanks. In the last lesson, we learned a very important phrases to ask people about occupation, work, and so many other important phrases. Today, we are going to learn how to ask someone, where are you from? Which city or country do you live? Where do you live currently? And so many other important phrases in Somali. Diyar ma tahay? Are you ready? I'm Bilono. Then let's begin. To ask someone, where are you from in Somali, say, Inte katimid or Halke katimid. And also you have to know in southern Somalia, the term Inte kasojeda is very useful. So whether you say Inte kasojeda, Halke katimid or Inte katimid, it's same and no problem at all. And so Inte or Halke means where, katimid means are you from. Inte katimid, where you from, or Halke katimid, where you from. Let's practice together now. Inte katimid. In te ka ti mid. In te ka ti mid. In te ka ti mid. Inte katimid. Now let's practice the other one. Halke. Halke katimid. Hal ke ka ti mid. Hal ke ka ti mid. Hal ke ka ti mid. Halke katimid. Now, if someone asks you halke katimid or inte katimid, or maybe inte kasojeda, say waxa ka imid plus your country, or maybe your city. So you don't have to say waxa katimid. When you're talking about I, say ka imid. But when you ask is you, that's why we use katimid. Before I is imid. So say waxa ka imid plus your country or your city. For example, I am from Somalia, so I can easily say waxa ka imid Somalia. Maybe you can say waxa ka imid Ingiriiska, waxa ka imid Jarmalka, waxa ka imid Kenya, waxa ka imid Mareykanka, and so on. Or maybe you can use your city name. It's fine as well. So now let's practice together. We're going to use Somalia as an example. You can use your country name, no problem. Waxa ka imid Somalia. 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 And maybe you'd like to know how you can say your country name in Somali. No problem. I already made 3 lessons about how you can say the country names and nationalities in Somali, and you can watch right here. Now, to ask someone, which city do you live in Somali? Say, Magaalade ku nooshahay. Magaalo means city or city. Ku nooshahay means do you live. So the verb nolol means live or to live somewhere or some place. And then when you ask you have to say nooshahay. So magaalade ku nooshahay. Let's practice together now. Magaalade ku nooshahay. Ma ga la de ku no sha hai. Ma ga la de ku no sha hai. Ma ga la de ku no sha hai. Magaalade ku nooshahay. And so if someone asks you magaalade ku nooshahay, you can easily say waxaan ku noolahay plus your city or the city you live right now. For example, I live in Mogadishu right now filming this video or this lesson, so I can easily say waxaan ku noolahay Muqdisho. waxaan ku noolahay Muqdisho. So maybe you can say waxaan ku noolahay plus your city name. waxaan ku noolahay London, waxaan ku noolahay Minnesota, waxaan ku noolahay Nairobi, or something like that. Let's practice together now, and we can use Muqdisho as an example. You can use your city name as always. waxaan ku noolahay Muqdisho. 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 So now, what about if you're going to ask someone, where do you live currently, instead of saying, which city do you live? So we're going to say easily, intee ku nooshahay. Intee means where, ku nooshahay means you live. So intee ku nooshahay means where do you live? And we're going to add at the end hadda, which means currently, or which means now in Somali. So we're going to say intee ku nooshahay hadda, which means where do you live currently? Let's practice together now. Intee ku nooshahay hadda. Intee ku nooshahay hadda. Intee ku nooshahay hadda. Intee ku nooshahay hadda. Or we can also practice the other way, which is halkee. Halkee ku nooshahay hadda. Halkee ku nooshahay hadda. Halkee ku nooshahay hadda. Halkee ku nooshahay hadda. And remember, always you can use one of them. Intee and halkee are same. So no problem if you use intee ku nooshahay or if you use halkee ku nooshahay. That's the same. So to respond that question, you need to say waxa ku noolahay plus the city you live. And for this lesson, we're going to use London as an example. So we're going to say waxaan ku noolahay London. It's not important to say magaalada London, London city. So you can skip city always. You can say London. waxaan ku noolahay London. So let's practice together now. waxaan ku noolahay London. waxaan ku noolahay London. waxaan ku noolahay London. waxaan ku noolahay London. Now, do you know talking about family members in Somali? Then I'll teach you that interesting topic in the next lesson. waan is arkaynaa casharka dambe. Nabadgelyo. See you in the next lesson. Bye.